What's up, YouTube, Facebook? Y'all know who it is. Show y'all some progress on the K5 Blazer. Got the brand new doors on there. See the quarters right there. There's a brand new gas tank going on there. Fuel tank, whatever y'all want to call it. It's gasoline. Brand new doors. I guess I don't need the light. Camera lens was dirty. Brand new doors. Closed good. Hit the chassis. The inside of the bumper. That's all with bed liner. The Raptor bed liner. But made by U-Paul. See the texture on there? Looking good. Hit the whole bottom of the firewall. I'm gonna go back a little bit. A lot of progress. A lot of progress. That chassis looking beautiful. Brand new doors. Got brand new fenders right there going on. Brand new core support. Right there. Brand new wheel wells. So for the people that was making the comments saying, "Oh man, that rusty ass truck," it's gone, buddy. Hit the whole chassis with the wire wheel. Wire wheel took it all that little flaky shit off. There's no cracks, nothing's rusted out on the chassis. Probably gonna buy these new. They sell these. Weld them on here brand new. Got some rust right here. See that? Trying to get majority of all the rust off. So we'll see. But the doors, brand new. Put the motors in them. Windows a little dirty. They open and close. Slam solid. Close up. Body line perfect right here. Next is going to be dropping the LS motor in there. Then putting the front end on. Unless he says to do this piece of this firewall right here. But after that, quarter panels right there. I don't know why they sell just the bottom half, but that's the way they sell them. So it is what it is. So we'll be cutting them right about here. Cutting all this rusty shit off. Brand new fuel tank. It's right there. A little bit distorted, I guess. But that's it right there. New fuel pump. LS motor getting ready to go in. About to pressure wash. You see the pressure wash right there. Swap the transfer case out so the gears are right. But that's about it, man. I'll get back at y'all.